everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the common problems of learners which I have been noticing for a while. And I'm going to talk about this problem. Well, I have been noticing there are so many people who are putting a lot of effort in learning this language. But what I have been noticing is that they are listening, they are writing, they are reading, they are literally doing everything except speaking. Every time they are holding themselves back that I don't have to speak, or they have a fear of judging. At the same time, they have an insecurity that I'm going to make mistakes. And they know it, but still they are holding themselves back that I can't speak. Let me tell you, you believe or not, I did not know the difference between I and we. And look at me today, I can talk to anyone. Yes, how did I do it? And how do I speak in front of camera? Well, how did it happen? It happens because I started to facing it. Yes, I started taking action. So what do you have to do is, you don't have to always feel insecure. Yes, even if you have a fear, just write it down in your copy that yes, right now I'm not able to speak. Why I have a fear? Why am I feeling like this? Write down your thoughts and find out the reason that why am I feeling like this. And after that, start taking action. And let me tell you, how long are you going to hold yourself back? How long? You are putting a lot of effort. You are literally doing everything to learn this language. But when it comes to speaking, you are not showing yourself. You are not speaking in front of people. You always hide yourself back that no, I don't have to do it, or I can't do it. How long are you going to do that? Let me tell you, I and one of my friend and I started learning English together. And I was the one who was also just like you. I always think that people are going to judge me. And just because of this, I did not want to approach anyone. And I would not speak in front of people. Even I would speak, I would talk to myself, that's it. And one of my friend also started speaking, also started journey with me. And what happened, she was the one who would approach people, and she was ready to make mistakes. And I used to notice that she was making a lot more mistakes than me, but she was the one who did not stop herself. And before than me, she started speaking. And after seeing her, I got inspired that she was the one who has started her journey with me, and now she is way better than me. How? Just because she took action, she started speaking, and over the time, she improved. And that's how you also have to do it. Why are you holding yourself back? And by doing it, you are not going to improve. Without speaking, you are not going to improve. Yes, if you really want to improve, you're speaking. And we are no longer living in an environment where we can find people, where people can come and talk in English. No. There are some people who are going to make fun of you. There are some people who will tell you that, hey, don't become Angrez. Yeah, you are going to get some people. And even at your home itself, people are not going to support you. But it doesn't mean that you have to hold yourself back. Just try online people. Try speaking with them. Don't hold yourself back. Yes, why am I emphasizing it? Because nowadays I am getting so many learners, and I have been noticing that they are putting a lot of effort in learning, but when it comes to speaking, they know it. They know English very well. They have been learning for a very long time. When it comes to speaking, they are feeling insecure. So you don't have to feel insecure. Be shameless, and that's how people are going to come to you and started asking that how did you learn this language. Trust me, it happened with me and it will happen with you. And right now, if you're holding yourself that I don't have to face camera or I don't have to approach people, and even there are so many people who wants to start their own YouTube channel, but they have a fear. They have a fear that people are going to judge me, and that's where they have to take action. Just take it, and you will see the changes. You will improve over the time. Just don't hold yourself back. So the choice is yours. Either you stop yourself or start taking actions. Either you face the fear or hold yourself back. Choice is yours. Face the fear and your fear will disappear. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe my video if you like this video. Till then, bye bye. Do not forget to subscribe it.